Hello guys, welcome to today's video. I have a package and the package I have is actually some lighting equipment. So I've been looking around for some new equipment to help elevate my whole space here and also help me with my photography. So I've been doing a lot of digging in finding the best lighting I can use to capture all these cool pictures, especially with portraits and also with like wedding events. I've been going around looking for a lot of lighting equipment that would be of good benefit and good for my money too. So there's been a lot of digging. I've looked at a whole bunch with Newer, with Godox, so many other brands, but I actually settled on Godox. So because I already have a Godox that I use for flash photography, so I love the V1 so much that I have that attached with a diffuser, so that gives me the cool nice pictures that I need for my wedding receptions and sometimes for wedding portraits. So it's been very good to me, and I felt that if I have that brand, I'll be able to use the trigger, and with it everything is going to be nice and quick. We'll be going into that today, where I'll be unboxing the product, and then we'll see how it will fare to me. I got this on through Amazon, so I have, since that's the easiest way for me to get stuff. So got it from Amazon for $109. So I'm yet to see what the product does and how beneficial it will be to me. So this is it. This is the Godox SL60D. I hope this actually does bring what I'm actually looking for, because I've been looking for a lighting system for quite a long time. So if this is able to do the job, I will be so pleased. And I know there's a lot of photographers out there who have used this before, and they have attested to it that it does do the job. Their reviews have been very good, so I went with most of renowned photographers that I follow, and their reviews have been very good. So yeah, I do look forward to it. I am indeed impressed with the build quality so far. I was expecting something like that, so it is really durable, even though the side is a bit of a plastic. Is it plastic? Maybe. Oh no, that's metal. Yeah, so metallic, and yeah, you have this that goes on. That's nice. Then you have this. I'll be turning that on and see how bright it is. But so far, this is what is at the back of it. You get your DIMM, your FX, your channel, your Bluetooth, and your power and your AC adapter. So these are what it comes with. I'm very excited with this. It does feel a bit heavy, so I'm expecting like good stuff from this. It also came with these, which I'm thinking go over it for color changes. There's black, there's red, and there's like lime green. But yeah, and I'll be putting this to the test, and then we'll see how it goes. Ready for this. Okay. Why is there no power? Oh my. Guys, you can see the difference already with this. That is very powerful. Why did it turn off? Oh, it's not plugged in well. But guys, yeah, this is the light I'll be using for my studio. Ooh, this is so good. But yeah, this is very good. So you could dim. Currently, it's at 100%. Ooh, it's at 100% at 5,600 kelvins. So I could lower it. Currently, this is, I don't know if you could see the brightness, but it's at 30. Oh, so it's currently 0. So I could literally do the back and forth, and currently it's on 100. So this can take it down. I'll have to play around this and see what will be the best lighting for this. But also, let's turn this off. But I'm very excited for this product. I'm excited for what it's currently looking at. Yeah, this is very exciting, guys. Oh, that's a mad difference. So I did get a lightning stud for this, and it's currently still in package. I need to get it opened. Oh, for the light, so far from what I've seen, I'm very excited about it. It does look like it's really going to do the magic. It's really going to change the way things will be done. So it's very exciting for me to know that I'll be using that lighting now and in the future. It's called Takers, and it's a heavy duty, goes up to 110. Load capacity is 22 pounds. That looks very exciting. And this is the product, this is the bag it comes in. Oh yeah, so this is gonna be my stand that I'll be putting the light on. And I do also have a Godox soft box I'll be attaching it to, so the light is made soft and not too harsh during filming and also during photo sessions. So it's very exciting, guys. I am very pleased with what I currently have. This is it. It's very sturdy. It's metallic stainless steel. I decided to go for something stainless steel just to fit the aesthetics in my room and in my office, I mean. And also the reviews were good on this one. But yeah, guys, so guys, this is me with the softbox now. It is looking good. I have to adjust a few things about it, but so far it is good and I'm really enjoying it. It's very, very nice, and I hope you guys could tell me how you feel about this new softbox. It really brings a lot of lightening into this and actually changes so many things about the whole video. Guys, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am very excited about this, and please like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed this. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace, guys.